First up, we have the Super Strata Ion 18D printed electric bike that is made entirely of carbon fiber. It's incredibly lightweight, weighing only 11 pounds, but it's also incredibly durable. The bike has a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 60 miles, making it perfect for commuting or leisurely rides. With its unique design and sleek look, the Super Strata Ion is definitely a bike that you'll want to ride. Next up, we have the Manta 5 Hydrofoiler XE8, a water bike that uses hydrofoils to lift the bike out of the water and reduce drag. With this bike, you can explore the ocean or a lake in a whole new way. It can reach speeds of up to 12 miles per hour and has a range of up to 2 hours. The Manta 5 Hydrofoiler XE8 is definitely a unique and fun bike to ride. Moving on, we have the Harley-Davidson Livewire, an electric motorcycle that has a top speed of 110 miles per hour and a range of up to 146 miles. This bike is perfect for urban riding and has a sleek and stylish design that is sure to turn heads. The Livewire is a great example of how electric vehicles can be just as powerful and fun as their gas-powered counterparts. Next up, we have the VanMoof S3, an electric bike that has a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 93 miles. This bike has a built-in anti-theft system, which makes it perfect for city riding. The VanMoof S3 has a sleek and modern design that is sure to catch your eye. Last but not least, we have the Rangu Electric Juggernaut, an electric trike that is perfect for off-road adventures. With its 2 fat tires in the front and a smaller tire in the back, the Rangu Juggernaut provides incredible stability and maneuverability. It has a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 25 miles. The Rangu Juggernaut is perfect for exploring the great outdoors. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.